Hello and welcome to my review on Markets.com. And Markets.com is an interesting brokerage. They're actually operated by Safecap, which is a subsidiary of Playtech PLC, traded on the FTSE 250. So one of the major advantages right there is going to be that the company's finances are transparent. They have to be by law. So that gives you a certain amount of comfort and reliability of funds just in and of itself, because quite frankly, it's just not a situation where they can fudge the numbers. You can see that they offer quite a bit in the way of trading opportunities. In fact, it's over 2,000 different instruments that you can get involved with. The initial deposit is $100 or 100 euros, 100 pounds, any of those three currencies. And it allows you to test out the broker with very little in the way of risk. The spreads are, they're kind of all over the place, depending on what you're looking to trade. So the Aussie's 2.9. They are variable, but they do tend to stick to the as low as price. Euros 2, leverage is 1 to 20 or 1 to 30, depending on which major you're trading. Minors are all basically going to be 1 to 20, and exotics 1 to 20. And they do have some pretty exotic pairs: British pound, Romania, US dollar ruble, US mex, US Indian rupee. They also have metal, and you can see that the leverage here drops, as you would expect. The spread is built in. It isn't variable. So, for example, 70 cents on gold. And as we go through the energy markets, the indices, you can see that the leverage is fairly strong. It's between 1 to 10 and 1 to 20, depending on the index. The spread is all done in the base currency. So the Polish zloty, there's in Poland 20, the futures is 3 Polish zloty for the spread. We got soft commodities here. These are pretty good spreads actually for softs. Crypto is kind of all over the place, and the leverage, of course, has been cut down. And after 2018, you're going to see that everywhere. Leverage in bonds, 1 to 5, that's pretty strong as well. And then you've got shares in all of these countries. So, for example, 1 to 5 in Greece, 1 to 2. Germany, you're going to get 1 to 5 with tighter spreads because it's a much more heavily traded market. We have ETFs available as well, so that's very strong. And then they have something called blends, and it just is it's almost like think of it as a mutual fund. So Brexit winners blend, etc. And as I said, the leverage does kind of go back and forth. Now, the trading platform, there's really not much to say about it other than it's the Metatrader platform. So, it's the one that we all know. This is a list of the spreads, the leverage, whatever. They do offer the mobile version of Metatrader like most brokers do at this point. Your payment methods are listed here. Pretty extensive: credit card, wire transfer, PayPal, NetTeller, Skrill, and a couple of fast bank transfers, ideal, so forth, and so on. There's plenty of methods for traders around the world. As far as extras are concerned, there's the economic calendar, there's the trade of events and traders trends. I don't know that I would give this a huge thumbs up. It's not bad. It's just somewhat light. There's some webinars here that you can watch. A lot of it is around very basic information, and that's fine if that's what you need. But truthfully, there's nothing in the research area really to speak of other than trader sentiment. And quite frankly, you can find that on the internet for free all over the place anyway. So I don't know that I would hold it against Markets.com. I just would be aware of the fact that it's not one of its strongest suits.